Yo, what's up, tech fam? Apple has just dropped a bombshell in the compact desktop world, and it's called the Mac Mini M5. Whether you're a code-slinging genius, a creative powerhouse, or just love cutting-edge tech that fits in the palm of your hand, this is the machine you've been waiting for. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know: jaw-dropping specs, insane new features, release leaks, and pricing rumors that'll blow your mind. Meet the mighty Mac Mini M5. This isn't your average spec bump. The Mac Mini M5 is a game changer. Apple's packing the next-gen M5 chip built on a super-efficient 3nm process. Mind-blowing specs. Processors, standard M5, and the beastly M5 Pro options. Architecture, brand new 3nm chiplet-based SoIC design for wild speed and cooler temps. The CPU, up to 12 high-performance cores and 6 efficiency cores. Multitasking legends. GPU, starting at 10 cores, scaling up to a monster 40-core GPU for next-level graphics. Neural engine, 32 or even 64 AI cores, perfect for AI model training, machine learning, and Apple Intelligence features. Memory, from 18 gigabytes to an eye-watering 128 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM. Yep, you heard that right. Storage, super fast SSDs up to 7.5 gigabytes per second, ranging from 512 gigabytes all the way up to 8 TB. Connectivity, future-ready Thunderbolt 5, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and optional 10 gigabits Ethernet. Display support, push up to 3 external 6K displays. Creators rejoice. Ports for Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.2, 2 USB-A, Ethernet, and yes, the trusty headphone jack. Software ships with macOS Sequoia loaded with Apple Intelligence right out of the box. Point 10, game-changing features. M5 Power Surge. 3nm tech brings blazing speeds, insane graphics, and killer efficiency. Point 2. iReady, TensorFlow, Core ML, PyTorch Seamless AI Workflow Support. 3. Next-level chiplet design. Smarter, cooler, and built for the future. Point 4. Memory madness. Up to 128 gigabytes unified RAM for pros who push limits. Point 5. Lightning storage. SSD speeds up to 7.5 gigabytes per second. Apps load before you even blink. Point 6. Future-proof ports. Thunderbolt 5 and Wi-Fi 7 equals ready for tomorrow's tech. Point 7. Silent but deadly. All that power, whisper-quiet performance. Classic Apple minimalism. Point 8. macOS Sequoia plus Apple Intelligence. Smart summaries, AI image generation, and more baked right in. Point 9. Triple 6K displays. Edit, code, and render on 3 external screens effortlessly. Point 10. Creative workflow beast. Whether it's Final Cut Pro, Xcode, metal rendering, or AI model training, this little box crushes it all. Release date leak. Apple's expected to unveil the Mac Mini M5 during the October 2025 Apple event. Pre-orders? Likely right after. Shipping is tipped for late October to early November. Perfect timing for that holiday tech upgrade. Pricing, rumored. Model chip memory storage price, EST. Base model M5, 18 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, $799. The M5 Pro, 36 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, $1. $299, $1 for $99. There you have it, the Mac Mini M5. A tiny desktop with monstrous performance. Whether you're crushing code, editing 8K video, or training AI models, this thing is a straight-up powerhouse in a compact form. Now, it's your turn. Drop a comment below. What's the feature that got your jaw on the floor? The 40-core GPU? That beastly 128 gigabytes RAM? Or maybe the AI smarts of macOS Sequoia? Smash that like button if you're hyped for our hands-on reviews and performance benchmarks coming soon. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, because we're diving deep into everything Apple in the weeks ahead. Until next time, stay creative, stay powerful, and stay tuned for more epic Apple updates right here. Peace out.